How to fix ID verification code not received. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if you're not getting the ID verification code on your Gmail for your Supercell ID. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, once you have logged into your account, if you want to log into another ID, you can just go ahead and tap on this and tap on settings. And then from here, if you want to add ID, you can tap on Supercell ID like this. And then you can tap on settings to add account. But if somehow you are not getting the code, then the first thing that you want to do is open up your phone settings. And once you do that, make sure that your developer's options is turned on. Then you'll have to allow these three settings. So scroll down and allow these three settings. So tap on allow screen overlay, and then tap on Wi-Fi scan throttling, and then always mobile data active. Make sure these three options are turned on. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and open up settings again. Head over to the app section. And once you find your app, open any Supercell app that you have on your device. I have Clash Royale, so I'm just going to open that up. Now, on these settings, make sure that all of the permissions are allowed. So once you have done that, head over to storage and clear cache. And once you have done that, head over to battery usage and make sure that it's set to unrestricted or optimized. And after that, just force stop the app, as it will shut down all of the background activity, including the code that will be sending on your email. Then restart your phone once and try sending the code again, and you should receive the verification code on your email for your Supercell ID. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.